In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the channel ID in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Slack workspace. Once you're logged in, navigate to the channel for which you need to find the ID. This is where the process begins. Now look towards the top left corner of your screen. There, you will see the name of the channel you're currently in. Click on it. A pop-up window named Channel Details will now appear on your screen. This window includes various pieces of information about the channel, so don't worry if you feel a bit overwhelmed at first. We're looking for something specific. Once the Channel Details pop-up is visible, scroll all the way to the bottom. You should glance just beneath the Files section, which is a common feature in Slack channels. It might take a bit of scrolling, but it's worth it. Now, as you reach the bottom of the pop-up, pay close attention to the area at the bottom left corner of that window. This is where you will find the channel ID string. The channel ID is usually a unique string of characters, and it's essential for various tasks like integrations and APIs. If you're looking to save the channel ID for later use, there's a convenient option. Right next to the channel ID, you should see a button labeled Copy Channel ID. Go ahead and click that button. Just like that, the channel ID is now copied to your clipboard, making it super easy for you to use it anywhere you need it. And there you have it. You've successfully located and copied the channel ID in Slack. Whether you're troubleshooting, setting up integrations, or just keeping records, knowing how to find the channel ID can simplify a lot of tasks. If you have any questions or if there's something else you'd like to learn in Slack, drop a comment below. I'd love to help you out and make sure you get the most out of your Slack experience. Remember, Slack is a powerful tool for collaboration, and being adept at navigating it can enhance your productivity immensely. So, make use of these features to improve your workflow. Before we wrap up, if you haven't done so already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Your support means a lot and encourages us to make more helpful content like this.